o'clock, I have to get up to Stormport, right, and stay. Not bad. Okay, onwards and upwards. Down the Tingwell Valley, Astor Lock, Tingwell Lock. Sisters, 5 wind turbines. The politicians and the businessmen get the way on the central Shetland. We put in turbines and tracks. Turbines twice as big as that, 103 the top at the moment, 80 kilometres of tracks. All the ridges up the main spine, Shetland. What do you think about that there, eh? I know what I think.
Society, you're crazy breed. I hope you're not lonely without me. Society, crazy indeed. I hope you're not lonely.
So, here we are at Njugals water. Njugals, be a water supply, I think, for Scalwa. How long there is, don't know. Where we were. On the eastern side of the loch, I think, and then over the sidewalk at the top. Back down the side of the Scald Orient to Scala. The ground's been a little wet. I'm glad I've got my super duper lower I think I'm dry. In a bog or two. My feet are dry. You want recommendations for a good boot? Well, we're at the end of the loch now. Looks like the wind turbines have stopped. Must be too windy for them. It's pretty much too windy for me too. Hard going, back into the wind all the way home. Nice walk though. Blow the cobwebs away before Christmas Day tomorrow, and we'll forecast 50 knot winds gusting to 57 knots. So along with rain. So tomorrow will be grim. So over the hill, you see the sun's low in the sky anyway. Over the hill, down to Scala, we get a late lunch. Unusually, no real sign of hares. Although it's a good thing really, because it's so windy. There's no way we could hold a telephoto lens still enough. This gap going up is called the Wind Hammers, and I can tell you the wind is bloody hammering through here. Woo!
Can't